Well guys, let's get to the topic of the video. In this video we're going to actually be talking about the very important thing that is actually a part of women's nature, a nasty one, something very bad that you guys need to actually understand it. I'm not telling you that all actually women in the world are this form, but at least more than 90% of them unfortunately have these bad characteristics. What is that? Guys, no matter if you are about the world for your women, for your girlfriend, your partner, I don't know, you have done many good things to her, you have bought actually gifts for her, you have bought whatever food she wanted, and you have bought car, house, I don't know, everything she needed. She is happy at the moment, but you do something wrong, unintentionally. You do something wrong to her, and you see what would happen after that. She will unfortunately forget every single thing, every single good thing that you have done for her. In a blink of eye, she will forget every great thing that you have ever done for her. No matter if you have bought her house, car, clothes, whatever thing that she actually wanted from you. One single wrongdoing from you towards her will actually make her forget whatever you have done for her. And unfortunately, this is the nasty part of the actually women's nature. Not all of them, I repeat my sentence, but most of them are this form, or as the form I just talked about. They forget, they actually overlook whatever thing that you have done for her, and they tell you that you haven't done anything for me, you don't give me money, you don't buy me things. They are this firm, and they actually forget all of that good things that you have done for them, and this happens in a speed faster than the speed of the light. And this is a part of their nature, and you actually can't do anything about it actually for the time being, unfortunately. Okay, well guys, I just wanted to speak about some part of the women's nature in this video, and I hope you actually enjoyed this video and learned some part of the women's nature in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and write your comments down in the comment section below for me, and please subscribe to my channel for further videos and updates. Thanks.